Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura impressa c65 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a tune-up, which means we had to remove the brew unit. The one that is located behind this water tank. And in order for you to remove the brew unit, you basically have to remove the entire panels of the machine. This thing has to come out, this thing has to come out, and of course the water tank side needs to come out in order for you to remove two screws that are located right here into the brew motor. You have to unscrew those and then unscrew four more screws from the brew unit and the hose that is attached at the bottom as well in order for you to remove the brew unit. Once we have removed the brew unit, we clean everything inside, replace the o-ring of the brew unit, clean up the shower screen, replace the valve, drain valve, and the valve o-rings as well, and put it back together. We descale it and do cleaning cycles and unclog these spouts as well. So yeah, that's all what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. I know it says beans in here because I tried to do an espresso before and we didn't have any coffee, so now it definitely does have coffee inside. As you can hear it grinding. And we're gonna see a nice steady stream coming out through the spouts over here. Once the brew unit pre-infuses the ground coffee and compresses it, we're gonna see coffee coming out through here. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well, and really great quantity and color. You can see the crema, 1.5 ounces, perfect, working excellent. Now we're going to be testing the hot water, and as you can see, nice steady stream. Coming out of hot water one. And now we can test our steamer as well. Gonna be pressing this button for a bit. It's gonna heat up for a little bit, and then we can just open up the valve and see how the steam comes out through the one. As the thermoflux starts to get up to temperature, we're gonna see more steam coming out through the one, and as you can see, the nice steady steam coming out through this, working really great, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Jura impressa c65 working once again, tuned up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching. Also, you're curious why we're using this elongated metal grate instead of the Jura one, is because we do not have the metal grate. Alright, thanks for watching.